In this video, we'll show you how to install and remove your capillary cartridge from the instrument with a UV or PDA detector. For information on installing and removing your capillary cartridge with an LIF detector, watch our video titled Changing the LIF Detector. To proceed with the installation process, access the 32-carat software and navigate to the Direct Control window. Then click Load. Before you install your cartridge, check that the buffer and sample trays are in the instrument, and make sure that the fiber optics cable is already connected and securely screwed into the insertion bar and then the detector. This is important because connecting the fiber optics cable to the insertion bar after cartridge installation could damage the fiber optics cable. Next, direct the capillary ends through the corresponding holes in the interface block and carefully slide the cartridge down until it is fully seated in the interface block. Pull down the insertion bar, then lightly press it. This ensures that the insertion bar is flush with the block prior to tightening the screws. While pressing, tighten the black thumb screws on both sides to finger tight. Take care not to over-tighten them, because excessive force can damage the instrument. Now, let's move on to cartridge removal. Access the 32-carat software and navigate to the Direct Control window. Then click Load. Open the system's cartridge cover and wait for the coolant to completely drain from the cartridge. To remove your cartridge, lightly press down on the cartridge insertion bar and then loosen the black thumb screws on each side. Make sure that the knobs are completely unscrewed before proceeding. Lift the cartridge insertion bar and smoothly slide the capillary cartridge directly upwards to clear the interface block. Then, bring it towards you. Now, you may store your capillary. For more details about capillary storage, watch our capillary storage video.